I'm Miss Karen from the Bridgeville Public Library. Today's Feltboard Fun video features the story Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting. It's written and illustrated by Emma Dodd, and it's published by Turtleback Books. The felt pieces in this week's kit will help your child retell the story of Dog's Colorful Day. Retelling is an important skill because it helps to build your child's comprehension skills, and it also helps them retain new vocabulary from the stories that they hear. These are both things which will help your child to understand what they are reading later on when they learn how to read. This is Dog. Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. And this is the story of Dog's Colorful Day. In the morning, he was sitting under the breakfast table, as usual, when a drop of red jam landed on him. Splat! Now Dog had 2 spots. He ran out the front door, sliding past the man painting the house, when splish! His tail dipped into the paint pail. Now Dog had 3 spots. He ran to the park where he rolled around in the grass and squash, got a green grass stain. Now Dog has 4 spots. Dog ran up to a little boy eating a piece of chocolate, and the boy gave him a nice chocolatey pat. Squish. Now Dog has 5 spots. A bee flew by, and swish, a spot of yellow pollen landed on Dog. Now Dog had 6 spots. A little girl eating some strawberry ice cream came by, when splosh, a drop of pink ice cream landed right on Dog. Now Dog had 7 spots. Dog decided it was time to head home when a ball bounced right into a gray mud puddle. And splash! Dog got a gray spot on his leg. Now Dog had 8 spots. Right in front of his yard, someone had left a carton of orange juice. Dog stepped on it and splurt! Got an orange spot. Now Dog has 9 spots. Dog ran into the house where Vicky was coloring with a purple marker. You guessed it. Dog got a purple smudge from Vicky's marker, and now Dog has 10 spots. Vicky said, "Silly Dog, let's count your spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It was time for a bath for Dog. So Vicky gave him a bath, and off came the purple smudge of marker, the gray splash of mud, the orange splurt of orange juice, the pink splosh of ice cream, the yellow swish of pollen, the brown squish of chocolate, the green squash of grass, the blue splish of paint, and the red splat of jam. And now Dog was white again, with 1 black spot on his ear. And that was the story of Dog's Colorful Day, from the book written by Emma Dodd. So for Dog's Colorful Day, we have most of Dog assembled for you already. We have his nose and mouth on, and his left ear with its 1 black spot. All you have to do are attach the rear legs. So if you take the shorter, fatter leg and put a thin line of glue at the top of it, you just apply it right in front of his back leg. Then you take the other leg and also apply a thin line of glue at the top of that. And that one you glue to the back of Dog right in front of his front leg. And there you have Dog from Dog's Colorful Day. You don't need to glue the spots on. They stay loose so that when your child retells the story, they can put the spots on Dog and then wash them off when he gets his bath at the end of the day. We got our pattern for Dog's Colorful Day from feltboardmagic.com. And if you'd like, you can check the book out from the library to read along as your child plays with the Dog's Colorful Day felt pieces. We hope you have fun. Bye.